It's Chris.
Hey, it's Cameron.
Where I go? I'm gonna be singing Ichi by Katy Perry.
And I'm gonna be singing I Want by One Direction.
So once I'm gonna just go big because I can't sing.
They're bad words.
Yeah. Or just words I can't say. Or I forget things. But you're so hypnotic, could you be the devil? Could you be an angel? Your touch, nostalgic, feels like I'm floating in my body glowing. You're stay, be afraid, you're not like the others, but you're just a lover. Different DNA, they don't understand you. You're from the world, not the world. But just break the picture. Oh, in my eyes, is that it? You're taking me, but then you look to love it. What you want to say? I want to play.
You're singing that song good. What am I doing?
You're making me mad. What can I say? Okay.
Okay, I am going to be singing I Want by One Direction, lyrics, instrumental. should make it cool. Yeah. Let's see it. Okay, so. Okay.
Give you this, give you that, road trips, take it back, yourself inside your I would find lots of things, clothes, shoes, diamond rings, stuff that drives me insane. Could be a different day every night, you decide to stay up. You're not into that at all, you just want material. I've never done, but when I say, but that's crazy. And that's not me. To be loved by you. You've got everything you need, but since you leave, you got holding on. If you change look for you, I bet would have a clue, but no. So they say, but that's crazy. But that's not me. To be loved by you. Oh, but that's crazy. But that's not me. To be loved by you. To love by you. I want to stay true. I want if you knew what you put me through. But you want me to love you too. I want, but that's crazy. I want, and that's not me. I want to be loved by you. No, they say but that's crazy. But that's not me. I want to be loved by you. But that's crazy. But that's not me. To be loved by you.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.